Hi, my name is Caroline from Scandinavian Biolabs. Today we're going to talk about the Hair Recovery Conditioner, an all-natural silicone-free solution for damaged hair. Applying conditioner is crucial in maintaining the integrity and durability of hair strands. Every time you cleanse, natural oils are stripped away, leaving your hair dry, brittle, and vulnerable to damage such as split ends. The natural recovery conditioner helps form a protective layer to replace these stripped natural oils. Now let's go over the three most important ingredients in our conditioner: brassica oil, abyssinian oil, and hydrolyzed quinoa. Starting with the brassica oil. Brassica oil is the natural alternative to silicone. It adds a protective coating that is capable of reducing dryness and breakage from heat exposure up to 230 degrees Celsius. And it makes hair more resilient, keeping hair calm and tamed from frizz for the entire day. Abyssinian oil, derived from an oilseed crop, forms a lipid-based film around the shaft of the hair strands. This protective film improves hair elasticity, hair strength, and enhances shine.